Welcome to my channel, Passport Geek. I am Robert Walker, and today we are going a little bit local than our usual international content. We are headed to Las Vegas on this one. We have visited the Sin City for the major annual bodybuilding show, the Olympians. We had wonderful experiences of events and shows that Las Vegas had to offer, but we're not focusing in on that in this video. Today we are focusing on one of the best buffet restaurants in Las Vegas. That buffet restaurant is in the famous luxury hotel called the Wynn, and the restaurant is appropriately called the Wynn Buffet. The Wynn Buffet is one of the ultimate buffet experiences in Las Vegas. The daily gourmet brunch is served Monday through Sunday from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. and is around about $60 plus tax. The daily seafood gourmet dinner is served from 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. and is around about $80 per person plus tax. Prices are subject to change during holidays, weekends, and peak periods. For children at ages 3 to 9 are half price. We visited the Wynn Buffet brunch a couple of times during our visit in Las Vegas. The brunch time buffet experience includes up to 2 hours of unlimited indulgence from the 120 different savory dishes, as well as any array of irresistible desserts. The restaurant is gorgeous. The decor of the restaurant is of a colorful classic circus vibe. But the most important thing about the restaurant is the food. From seafood, poultry, and red meats to desserts, the Wynn has no shortage of diverse recipes. Even vegans have myriads of choices at the buffet. I mean, just look at everything. And as you can see now, you have fish and chips, which is fried fish and fries, and then you have the soup area, which you can see here. And then there's the salad areas, and then you have a huge just shrimp bowl. That's just limitless as you refill. We went back many myriads of times to get refills and stuff. And then they have everything. They even have a Japanese section with sushi and, just Asian section with sushi and shumai and all this other stuff. And, just amazing foods. I have to tell you, the Wynn Buffet is just inundated with, look at the snow crab. Not even the snow crab. It's called the rock crab. I think it's rock crab or rock. It's not rock shrimp or whatever, but as you can see, just have so many different array of food. It's just an amazing place to have. You see stir-fried foods and dumplings of all kinds, from shrimp to beef to pork and everything, as you can see here. They also have so many different cook stations and food stations where they actually cook the food in front of you, and also servers to serve you cut meats and everything. It's just, we don't eat red meat, so we didn't focus in on that section too much, but we're seafood eaters and poultry eaters and things like that, so they have an array of anything that you want. The Wynn Buffet is just an amazing place, and you have all types of fruits and vegetables. Well, this is the fruit area that you see now, and the salad area is just vast. Just whatever your needs are, taste bud wise, they have. The buffet brunch could be a buffet dinner at the same time. It was just, as you can see now, you have bacon, you had eggs and danishes along with breakfast. So it was just an array of a smorgasbord. I can't even tell you how many times, I'm actually ashamed to tell you how many times we went back up to eat, but when we go on vacation, we just gorge out. And you see, we have even pancakes and all, and and then mixed on top of that corn and shrimp dishes and beef dishes and tacos. This is the Mexican area, or the more Hispanic area, where you have tacos and fajitas and rice and just all kind of foods. And then we have the Italian area with pizzas and pastas. And then the dessert area was just wow. It was like going to Willy Wonka. And just so many different delicious sweet dishes, from ice creams to cakes to candies. As you can see here, it's just top notch, and the food is of top quality. Look at it, just cheesecake, blueberry pie, chocolate cake, Oreo cake, cupcakes, apple danishes, chocolate candies, Reese's Pieces, and the chocolate was real chocolate. They would melt the chocolate and make it themselves. Just different array of ice cream. I don't eat ice cream because I'm lactose intolerant, but it was amazing. And this here, you see the final dish. I mean, it was just one. I should have shown different 16 shots of it, but that was it. So the Wynn Buffet is just amazing. Thank you for joining us with this video, and we will show you later what we did in the Olympias. The next video, subscribe, like, and follow us through our journey in Passport Geek. And as our travels around the world, this was more domestic, but we will show you more videos of Las Vegas and many more others trips that we have planned coming up in the near future. So just follow us, like, and subscribe. Have a good day. Be safe. Take care.